Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect your Webflow account or website to Cloudflare. So there is a whole article about it by Webflow themselves, and let me show you how it does work exactly. Now, first of all, you need to understand what is Cloudflare. Cloudflare is basically a service or a platform that gives you a pretty important service, which is, that when you click on a website, you view that HTTPS. Well, Cloudflare gives you the S, if that makes sense. So the SSL security, Cloudflare is a platform that gives it to you for free. You can link your website here, and they will give you the ultimate security of the web. So how does it work exactly? So here we go. So how to point your Cloudflare domain to Webflow. To connect your Cloudflare domain into your Webflow site, then first of all, direct DNS record from your domain registrar to your Cloudflare account. Then create a CNAME, record with www as a name, and set the target to cdn.webflow.com. Then set the proxy status to DNS only, and set the record TTL to auto. Create an A record with the hostname at, and set the target to this IP address. Then set the proxy status to DNS only. Set the record TTL to auto, then back in Webflow, go to settings in publishing production, click add a custom domain, choose manually add domain, and enter the domain you want to connect to Webflow. For example, yourdomain.com. Then click make default next to the domain you want to set as default one. Then publish your site. It's as simple as that. Of course, you should own an account in Cloudflare. It's very simple to create, but overall, these are the steps that you need to follow. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. See you guys in the next upcoming videos. Bye bye.